morning. It's 9 a.m. and you guys can see there is no sun whatsoever. In fact, it is so cold in Bangalore. For me, it is very very cold. It is around 19 degrees if I'm not wrong. The last I checked, it was 19 degrees, and it's such a cozy weather. It's such a lovely weather. I feel everyone should experience this weather once. I would recommend everyone to come and stay in Bangalore for at least 3 months and enjoy this weather. Especially during winters, it becomes so what do I say? So cozy, and every day feels like a good day, even when on the days when your mood is not good. No, just experience the Bangalore weather. I know this is something which is not possible for people not living in Bangalore, but it's just how I feel. It just lightens your mood. You feel much better. On your bad days, one thing that will definitely make you happy is the Bangalore weather, and that's what I try to take a pause every time and just feel this weather, just see the beauty of Bangalore skies. So today the sky is absolutely clear, but the interesting thing is it's actually drizzling outside. Yes, it's drizzling, so it's even more cold today, but it's lovely. But today I don't feel like going out and having breakfast. I want to be at home. But however, there are a lot of things that I have planned for today. I'll tell you, wait. I've tried. I'm now trying to make a conscious effort to drink water. This has been a very challenging task for me because, see, Mumbai is very humid, right? You automatically feel thirsty, but Bangalore is not that. So, when I came to Bangalore, in fact, I almost stopped drinking. I would hardly have 3 glasses of water in a day, which was very, very less. And it affected my health. It really did. The number of times I have been to the doctor in the first 4 months is tremendous. I'll tell you guys about that in detail. There's a lot that happened when I came to Bangalore, but that's for another video. But for now, drink water. Try to drink as more and more as you can, or whenever you remember. One of the things that I do is I carry my bottle everywhere, right? So when I carry it, I am able to see it, and that helps me remember it much better, that okay, I have to drink water. So that's a little trick that I do, and it works for me. Figure out You can also figure out a way that works for you and take it ahead. So okay, exciting things are coming up. Why? Because this week is when my sister is getting married. Finally, we have been working on this since April, I would say. And trust me, it's a long process, needs to be planned out very, very well. Month wise, week wise, day wise. You know what happened? Initially, we created a list of things that we needed to do, but with time, we realized that oh, we need to do this also. Oh, we need to do this. Smaller things takes a lot of time, and it never ends. It just keeps coming to you, and that's what we also felt, that God bless, there were so many things that we had missed out when we were initially planning. But I think you learn as you start with the planning process and start working towards it, and that applies to everything in life, by the way. From my experience, it can be different for you, but that's what I've realized. But anyway, today is a very exciting day for me, because I have one cute friend in Bangalore. Okay, so so today, multiple things that we need to do. A, shopping, because um, Black Friday sale. Which sale is that? I'm not sure. But whatever it is, there is some kind of sale in everywhere, and our Instagrams are filled with those reels. So that has pushed us to at least go and figure out something and buy something for us, treat ourselves. Now, see, I'll tell you, I don't really want to do shopping, but there's one thing that I definitely need, and that is jackets, sweaters. Because Mumbai was not cold, bro, I'm telling you. But Bangalore is really, and I have no clothes for winter. This is the only jacket that I have, and this I used to wear at home. So I need some nice jackets. So we will be hunting for those jackets today. Let's see if we can find something. So I try to think a lot before buying anything, because see, I don't want to waste my money. I'll buy one day and then after wearing it twice, I'll be done with it. So I try to avoid this thing. Then we have a parlor session planned, because I need to get facial done. So there are some options that I've thought of. Now I don't want to do any deep cleaning and all of that, just basics, because this is the wedding week. So it's always better to do it 4 5 days before. So I know that they say the glow comes after 3 days. I don't know what kind of glow is gonna come, but we will try, and hopefully it will turn out to be in my favor. But let's see. My God, it's drizzling again. Wow. Sorry. Okay. And another thing is, I need to get my nails done. I have tried my best to grow my nails, but I started out late. Again, result of poor planning by me. So, but I think it's decent somewhere. So I was yesterday night. I was looking for a lot of designs. Let us see if we are able to get these things done, and I will take you with me in all of these, and we will ensure that our list, we are able to strike off everything this weekend.
I'm desperate to do shopping, and after successful shopping, it started raining so heavily. But I wanted to get my dinner done, so I went to Hilagram. Yeah, that's me disappointed as to why it is raining. And the food in Hilagram was great, but I couldn't go buy more food because it was raining and unsafe. So I took it auto, and it took me so long to book an auto. Plus, it's so expensive. Such a waste of money in Bangalore if you have to travel by auto. Trust me, that's the reason I got my scooty from Mumbai in the first place, so that I can peacefully travel. And yeah, it was all rainy, rainy.
Oh my God, what is wrong with Bangalore weather? I can't tell you. This is actually December month, and suddenly it has started raining. So all the plans that I made for the weekend have been spoiled very, very weirdly. I had so many things to do, and this was the last week wherein I could have done these things. And now all of it is impossible. I've literally just now stepped out after after quite some time, because I don't know, I can't go out. It's drizzling actually. It just stopped a while back, and I decided to just come out and breathe. Okay, so there's one thing that I have been able to do, and that is shopping. Uh, so even though it was raining, I knew that I needed some winter clothes, and one of this is this one that you can see. Now, funny story about this. Wait, I'll tell you one sec. Okay, so I'm sure that you guys know there was sale going on, and because of that I went to shop, and I went for shopping 2 days straight. I did find some good pieces, and I always look for neutral colors. That is quite easy for me to style it. So I did find some good pieces. Now, So okay, you guys, in Chennai there has been a cyclone, and because of that, in the month of December, it is heavily raining in Bangalore. Trust me, I have no margin time this time. I really have to land, and that's when the events will begin. um, a little worried about it, but very happy about the shopping that I have done. Hopefully I will be able to show you. I'm not sure about it because there are a lot of things that I need to do. Probably I will take you through my mini packing, because see, I have 2 dresses in Bangalore that I'll be taking from here, but rest of my dresses are in Mumbai. And if you guys remember, there was one engagement dress that I had to try and make sure that it fits me this time. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. But let's see. Okay, another thing, have you guys realized how expensive Bangalore is when it comes to personal care? I have done my nails multiple times in Mumbai, and it's literally almost double the price in Bangalore. I don't know why. What is it special that they're doing? But somehow I was supposed to get my nails done in Bangalore before this weekend, before going to Mumbai, but that definitely is not happening, because I asked my my Mumbai salon, and they said it's gonna cost me half the price for the same design that I showed in Bangalore salon as well. So for sure I'm not getting it done here. So that is delayed, and I'll hopefully get time in Mumbai. I am not sure at this point if I will be able to do it. I'll update you if somehow I'm able to get through it and get it done. But for now I've just painted it. This is my favorite neutral color. This is charcoal gray. I love it. So like I was telling you guys that it is heavily raining in Bangalore, and it started suddenly, and the forecast says that for the next 4 days it's gonna rain like that, and I'm supposed to fly out day after tomorrow. I have an early morning flight, and if at this time, so I'm not panicking as such. I'm just worried that if I fail to take this flight, I am in trouble. I'm in massive trouble, because it's not just Mumbai that I have to go. I have to go to the wedding location after that, and that's where the events will begin. So fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. So quick update about this jacket. I went to every possible place to find a jacket that I can wear on daily basis, and I couldn't find. Finally I went to the men's section and got this. I don't know if you can say it. It's the perfect jacket that I was looking for. I don't understand why these jackets are not made for women. Why is it just for men? So you guys know that it is randomly raining in Bangalore. So I am making Maggie. I just feel like having it. So let's make Maggie. Is it too dark? I'm not sure if it's too dark, but we will manage. I love extra masala, and I like cheese Maggie also, but I don't know how to make it. I just know how to make a very simple Maggie, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So my way of making Maggie is that I put slight masala before, and then I add Maggie, and then I put more masala, because I don't know if it happens, but I think it gets evaporated, so that's why a lot of masala gets evaporated, if that makes sense. So I add extra masala so that the taste of Maggie does not change. And I know it's unhealthy, but sometimes have junk food. You can have it. Also, have you guys realized the size of one pack of Maggie has been reduced drastically? Earlier it used to be so big. I remember that one pack would be enough, and now I just feel like it's not enough. For some reason they put in very less Maggie, marketing strategies. And I've tried all other kinds of noodles also, so Yippee and all of that, and to be honest, I only like Maggie. I'm just a Maggie fan, and a lot of talking now. Let's just concentrate here. I'm almost done. I'm just in the last leg of it. It it looks so tasty. Well, Maggie is ready and it is so hot, and I'm gonna eat it. So see you soon. Bye.